I'm Babsy Grange, Minister of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sport. And I'm here to announce Telethon Jamaica, Together We Stand. More than 1 million people across the world have been infected with COVID-19. We pray for the speedy recovery of those who are ill, and we thank the healthcare workers. We can all help to stop the spread of COVID-19. Keep sanitizing and stay home. Telethon Jamaica, Together We Stand. Sunday, April 12th. Across online platforms, 3 p.m. to 9 p.m. This is to purchase personal protective gear and equipment for healthcare workers to fight this dreaded virus.
To make a donation, visit jatogetherwestand.com or call 1-866-228-8393 or +44 0808 189 6147.
Together we stand.